be different, or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind. Can't breathe. Close this door for peace of mind, 'cause I'm not going to scream and shout, and you don't want to talk this out. And I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to, and I don't want to lose me, so I need to choose me. I've let you cross me, my mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, 'cause if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind. Can't breathe.
If you want to learn more how to trade, so how to read charts, paano malaman ang rotation, you are invited to join our masterclass natin on YC versus BH. We will run an 8-week session coming from basics to advanced session and the techniques that we have personally developed and long-term investing principles behind. Hello guys, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in on this program natin. It's a lively Wednesday. It's raffle day at the same time for our robot users natin for tonight. Of course, no? Yan, and every Wednesday is really a raffle day. So later we're gonna do that as well. For tonight, it's very exciting because the market, especially for the crypto market, is really ano yun, alam mo na, talagang nag-grab yung bagsak on a white on the past 7 days is like 10% of even on the large market cap. So titingnan natin yan on the next few minutes. Yan, of course. That before we go there, of course, would like to ask everyone a favor. Please do share this stream on your friends so we can also share our inputs or we can actually get their insights of what's happening in the market tonight. Yan. So magandang gabi again. Yan. So let me check if I have audio on my end. Here, I think meron. Okay. So diretso tayo. Also very nakakagulat yung performance ngayon, no? Because even on the Forex market, the Euro USD is really sliding on more than 300 pips since yesterday. So it's just more than 300 pips on a major support is something that we need to look into, no? Yeah, may mga lumalabas na notification, no? Pero despite of that, galing ni Valkyrie. I'm just checking Valkyrie as of the moment kasi hindi ko naman na-check to daily. Yeah, but definitely nakakaantig ang nangyari sa Euro USD. Actually, we turn on our shadow technique. Look at that, no? Kita mo yung demand zone was breaking out on the Asian session last night. Nag-subside pa siya ng Trodo, and hopefully this could be the reversal part na ng Euro USD, no? Talagang itinodo niya ng bagsak. That's 300 pips from the top here in the past 2 weeks. Tingnan na nga natin to. Medyo na-shock din ako dito kahapon eh. Tingnan natin. 350 pips. Sobrang nakakagulat. Yan. Alright, tingnan natin, no? And yeah, yan. Isa rin yan. That's honestly a kung titingnan mo, medyo ang tamo dyan, expected because kung titignan mo, this is a double top. So after breaking out the double top, it actually breaks down the neckline. Then a lot of people shorted because of that double top here na on this neckline here. So talagang parang feeling ko malakas-lakas pa tong no. Okay. So, yan, tingnan natin, diretso na tayo. It's 9:31 in the evening. It's a Wednesday night. To all our Wise Investors PH family watching to us tonight, live here on Facebook and YouTube to get the insights in the market and what's new in the market as well, specifically for the next few minutes, on the next few hours. Let's go to the market. So for tonight, my sentiment is really more into taking profit mode. I would be conservative not to buy because it's actually in the resistance area. So that's one thing that we need to check as well. I need to turn on pala my eToro account here. Medyo magbabawas ako. All my ports, I need to turn it on. All my ports, dalawang port ko. Kasi kailangan natin yan. Ba't mga palakpak ka dyan direct? Ayan, ako lang pala yun. Sige. Ayan. So medyo nasa resistance na siyan. Di natin dapat bilhin yan to begin with. Medyo dapat yan yung mga time na medyo magbawas-bawas tayo. Just to make sure. I'm not sure kung bakit nauna ang crypto. Medyo something na medyo talagang it's really bound to happen. Volatility, especially for speculative or mga high volatility. No, wag karon na isang selling dyan, magpapanik lahat at magbebentahan, no. Really bound to happen. So for tonight, okay, we are actually on the total market. We are actually at the top already. We are in the resistance already. It's a matter of time kung be-break out pa niyan to within the week or next week or ibabalik ulit niya or look for another support. Yan, isa yan ang dapat nating tingnan. What's different about the Nasdaq, or our top technology, is actually we saw a slight continuation pattern but still near the resistance. The only thing that we need to consider here is this really a reversal or is this a resistance channel? Isa yan na dapat nating tingnan. Kahit sa bagay, kung titingnan mo talagang pwede talagang continuation pattern to. Ayan. So ngayon, nasa near resistance tayo, of course, just to make sure dapat ingat tayo at that area. Tingnan natin ang Dow Jones, DJ30, Dow Jones. Okay. Ayan, for your industrial areas, okay, it's trying to consolidate here at the top as well, followed with the failure of breakout. So ayan, isa yan. So medyo tonight, sentiment ko talaga medyo take profit mode, kaya mga ganyan, opening pa lang, bibenta na ako. Look at the subside of my port. In the past few days, bumagsak siya ng almost 4%. Coming from a 12,000 plus $1,000 ang ibinagsak niya because of that. No? Yan. Okay, tingnan natin ang Bitcoin. Okay, tingnan natin ang Bitcoin. Alright. For the Bitcoin market, okay, so what we are seeing here initially is okay, tingnan natin yung music. Yan. Ayan. So after hitting the all-time high resistance or the supply zone area, medyo ni-reject niya and actually binigyan niya ng konting channel dito. Okay? Now, the crucial here is this. Since nasa 8 MA50 yan, tonight is actually a buying point. Okay, buying point ng mga crypto market yan. Ang crucial is if etong area na to magre-resistant, magtatanggal ako ng majority ng crypto ko niyan. So kung hindi niya i-break out yan within the week, delikado yan for the sentiment of the crypto coins. Kasi possible this could be a channel already going downtrend. So most likely kung ituloy niya yung ganyang trend, okay, most likely possible ito yan. Where's my arrow point? Okay. Could have a bullish up to the weekend, then magkakaalaman yan on this area because this is a price action resistance with a moving average 20 as your possible resistance and this price here or even this trend line here. So medyo crucial tong linggo natin for the whole week in the crypto market because magkakalaman if it's gonna break out on the continuation pattern or it could go sideways or it could go lower further. So ngayon, crucial din siya because at the certain moment, nasa previous support niyan that turns resistance but most likely, mas malakas yung support area. Dahil we have a moving average 20 and the channel area. So for tonight, for me, if you're gonna position, dapat may base ka talaga. Yeah, may base ka talaga. So magkakaalaman yan, huwag tayo magpanic. That's one thing na di dapat hindi natin tingnan. And tingnan natin dito kung magkaroon ng reaction. So doon natin malalaman yan closing candle kung magkaroon ng reaction. Isa tong dapat nating tingnan, especially over the weekend and the start of buying next week. So that's only a few days to go for this one. So yan, isa natin for the whole crypto world. So, in the whole sentiment of the mother coin. Followed by Ethereum. Kung titingnan mo si Ethereum as well is a very, very buying area for me because it's actually on your demand zone area. Kung if I have money right now, I would buy Ethereum more. Maybe on the opening, I will sell my PayPal. Tingnan natin. Wala rin akong pambili kasi talaga. Yeah. So, I would possible sell my PayPal and buy Ethereum. Okay? Another insight for this one is again same with our Bitcoin. If it's gonna have a resistance on this channel, but right now we are seeing a very good bounce because based on the rules on the demand and supply zone, this is very powerful because ito area na no, ito yan. So it's a very very strong support or a demand zone or from a supply of turns demand zone. So tingnan natin. But kung meron kayo tonight, ako sa totoo lang better talaga ang position dito ngayon for Ethereum kasi yan no, crucial yan. So if you're gonna buy tonight for this one, have a decent cut loss of around 7%. Ito yan. So better syempre kung may base ka dito, magdadagdag ka kayo. Kung wala, wag na. Okay? Kasi ito yung mga, kung medyo tight ka, yan, mga 5. Pero kasi dito ako mag-cut loss yan. Yan, mga 8%. Ito lang yung possible mong gintipid. Yan, hindi masyado worth it, no? Almost walang 1:1. Di ba? Okay. So, one thing that hits the most as well is our second favorite, which is hindi na natin favorite, yung tinamaan yung resistance. Kung titignan mo din dyan, ayan na, no? Tinamaan dito yung resistance, nag-take profit tayo doon. Now, it's really routing to our area on this area here. Kung titignan din natin on the BNB, sakto, naging karoon ng ABC pattern on this level here. So, tingnan natin to. Bakit siya nagkaroon ng action dito? Di natin alam. Anyway, medyo delikado yan kasi may double top na nabubuo. So, ito, possible mag-subside pa to further. So, kaya ingat tayo for BNB as of the moment. Maybe parang pangit ng position niya, no? Tomorrow, kung magkaroon to ng pangit, I would sell more of my BNB just to make sure. Magdabawas ako dito ng mga binili ko. Kasi ito kasi mga BNB ko na to, libre na yun. Like free asset na siya ba? Hindi ko na siya, like, tinanggal ko na yung capital ko. Lahat profits na. So, okay lang. Sige. Alright. Ang problema ko is, bumili ako ng ADA. Bumili ako ng ADA on this breakout. Ito, yan. Bumili ako ng ADA dito. Tsaka dito, bumili ako. Kasi tingnan mo nangyari. Binasag niya going back to the moving average 200. Isang indikasyon yan na nako, medyo patay to si ADA, no? Patay to si ADA. Ano? Delikado to. I-strike through natin yung trend line. Yan. Para accurate. Yun. So after no? Oops, sorry. Delikado to ng konti kasi kung titingnan natin dito, nagpa-price action siya dito sa channel na to. We're just gonna make sure kung i-breakout niya to or magiging resistance. So very very crucial yung ngayong linggo, no? Sa crypto market. So we're not tingnan natin kung tanggalin nga natin 'to muna para malinis. Okay. Yan. Tingnan natin dito. Advance natin ng weekly chart. Gusto makita yung trend line eh. Kahit man lang to long term. Ayun. Kitang-kita natin dito. Ayan. Ito. Very crucial nga to mga pogi. Ayan. If you're a follower of ADA and you believe in the technology of ADA, there you go, friends. That's our long-term trend line. And that is your RSI 50 there, trying to bounce on the weekly chart. So, very crucial, isang buong linggo, because kung magsasubside ba yan pababa, nako, end of days ng ADA. Nako, isa rin yan. Titingnan ko nga ADA ko dito. Kasi bumili ako nito. Ayan, bumili ako, boys. Bumili ako isa nung 9. Umangat na siya, tapos binagsak. Then bumili ulit ako isa. Ay, di pala to. Matagal na to. 9.15. Ito yung recent ko, binili dalawa. Isang 74. Ito tatlo pala. Ay, ito, dalawa. So, nag-negative ako dito. So, isa yan na kailangan nating tingnan. Pero tingnan natin on the larger perspective. On a weekly chart, we are in the long-term trend line of the trend of ADA. So if you're a believer on the technology, there you go. That's your answer. We just need to confirm it again for next week. Isa yan, no? Tingnan natin si XRP USD. XRP USD, ito hindi medyo katakot-takot. Let's go. This one. Okay. Yan. Okay. On a weekly chart, though, since ito naman yung takbo niyan, hindi pa siya, medyo buhay pa yung trend. Yun nga lang, no? Hindi pa siya nagfo-full reverse in general. Okay. Nag-move siya sa within the MA20 on a weekly chart, which is still good. Okay, tingnan natin dito. Yan. Dito natin. Oops, sorry. Chart natin dito. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, yun yung weekly chart natin ng buying range. No, nasa buying range nga siya. Yan. So, ito yung long-term trend line natin. Nagsa-sideways lang siya. Honestly, talagang bilihan ngayon. Position ngayon position trading ngayon ng mga swing traders. So, it's a matter of mas marami ba mag-swing or maraming magkakabuhusan for this one. So, yan kinakita naman natin. Lahat is an opportunity for us to buy for tonight. Okay. Let's go to last. Before we go there, tingnan ka mga kalap ko dito. I think touch base ko naman siguro lahat ng no? I've touched base already with BCH, okay? I've touched base already on the major coins. Let's go to the sikat coins natin. Okay, medyo ito din. Isa din to na dapat nating tingnan because very crucial ni BCH. Okay? Na i-hold tong trend line na to. Yan. Kung mag-follow up si BCH ng isang red candle tomorrow, most likely I'm gonna take away all my positions here and take that losses as part of cut loss, no? Kasi on the closer view, you have a support. There's a breakdown of that midterm trend line. Kung magkaroon pa ng follow-up because of that resistance, could go further here. I don't like to do that. Ayoko nang hintayin niya pumunta dito and test it out. So, I would rather take these losses for more, which is binili ko to because of a catalyst. Let's see kung if it's gonna go there or not. Okay. Let's check your comment on the chat box. ENJ. What is ENJ? Is it a stocks? Okay, later tayo mag-stock market, 10 o'clock. Let's go to, magkano magpa-member? What do you mean may member? Member ng sir? Yan. SHIB. Okay, let's go to SHIB XTZ. Let's so Lucid. Please, David, please do stay up to by 10 p.m. We're gonna start our stock market there. TRX Marvin Laneta. Yan. All right, let's go to SHIB. Okay, Shiba. Okay, Shiba. Shiba USD. Shiba Inu. Yan. Alright, for Shiba Inu, ayan. Okay, same lang yung readings for Shiba Inu. It did not change. Okay, it did not change. Okay, it's still on the buying mode, but hindi dapat tayong magkaroon ng dapat hindi tayong gumalaw at sa ngayon kasi it's a descending triangle that to begin with, no? Second, though it's nasa buying range, wala pa tayong full confirmation on a continuation pattern, on a reversal. So, chill muna tayo. But if you're aggressive enough, Okay, you are in the support range. Okay, you can test buy. You can test buy. Just remember, you have a very, very strong resistance here on this trend line here and a moving average acting as the resistance. So, ako, I would wait for this weekend. Dapat pala may ready na akong pera. I would wait for this weekend to break out if hindi. If you're gonna buy right now, if you're really persistent to buy, I would suggest to have a cut loss around, damn, this much. No? May 50 ka dito. Nasa buying range ka pa ng 20. Nako, ito dapat ang tight cut loss mo 30%. Okay, yan dapat ang ano mo siya. Tapos dito yung TP mo. So, ayan, guys, kung bibili ka ngayon, test buy mo yan. Yan ang suggestion ko na room for your cut loss. Kasi kung magka-cut loss ka na maaga for Shiba Inu, if you're gonna buy right now, you have a support here, you have a major support there. Baka masyadong malaki. Tapos yung cut loss mo tight lang. Laruin ka lang ng merkado. Especially for high volatility assets. So, dapat mga ganun. Yung 33%. Which is still 1:2. 1:2 pa rin naman yan. Eh, no? 80%, 33%. More than pa nga. More than. Ako kasi dyan, hintayin ko na lang to. Yan, hintayin ko na lang yan. Okay na ako sa ganyan. At least sure ako na nag-reverse. Pwede ko pang i-adjust yung cut loss ko ganito. Hintayin ko yan, ganyan. Ako yan, di ba? Okay. I hope that helps. Sige, next tayo, XTZ. Okay, we still have a few minutes to go for the crypto. Let me drink my tea. Okay, as for XTZ, honestly, lahat ngayon is really on the test buy. Aggressive buy. Aggressive buy is what I need to. Ang kailangan, hindi, pangit yung XTZ. Si XTZ, medyo delikado ng konti. Yan, no? Do you have a double top there? Then you have a breakdown of the MA50, MA20, then your support is here. Medyo dito tayo bibili dyan. XTZ, baka butit, pinakita mo to, brother. May XTZ ba ako? May XTZ ba ako? May XTZ ba ako? Let's check natin. May XTZ ba ako? Wala ako XTZ. Kala ko ba yun eh? Wala ako XTZ. Link lang, meron. XTZ, iwas muna. Because you are in a very bearish pattern structure. You are on a daily chart, you are in a support trend line, support na moving average. But, kung nasa nakikita ako, medyo pa-downtrend na itsura nito. Iwas muna. But if you're really aggressive enough, then you can test by that 2 MA200 as your support. Yung MA200, as they call it, the last ano tawag dyan? Last defense, di ba? On the long-term perspective. Yeah, di ba? So you can do that if you want that, no? TRX, honestly, after breakout, parang bumalik yata ito. Nag-false breakout lang si TRX. Let's see. Ayan. Okay. This is a confirmed breakout, but because of the sentiment, binuhusan. Then, your ME20 is acting as a support right now. Still, for me, same with the sentiment of the Bitcoin and all those things, all those crypto, on a test buy mode din. No? Let's see the weekly chart. Okay, tingnan natin weekly chart. Malakas pa. Malakas pa to compare mo kay XTZ, no? It's just that the sentiment did not actually followed up on this breakout here. Breakout din eh. I would even buy that if nakita ko yan. But because of the sentiment, nagbagsakan lahat, nadamay. Okay, right now, based on the structure, I would buy that if I have money for TRX. I'll grab that opportunity to bounce trade that one, no? Okay, let's go to Uni. Isa-isay natin. We still have 10 minutes for our crypto. Then let's go to the stock market. Okay. Alright, ito, wag muna. Wag na tong Uni for now because there is a massive breakdown of the support. You are in a form of the retest. Magkakaalaman, hindi ko bibilin yung ganyan kasi medyo delikado na itsura niya, pattern-wise pa lang. No? On a weekly chart, you are in good shape because you are in the support. Very crucial yung support na to. Ayan, very crucial yung support na yan. Yun nga lang, ang hindi ko lang gusto nito part na to is aggressively, ano si Ethereum talaga yung pinakamaganda. sa ngayon, sa structure-wise, Ethereum pa din. Ayan, no? So, kung magkaroon yan, pwede kasi mag-resistance in the next few days, eh, no? Pero, Ethereum in ADA, medyo maganda yung structure. Ito kasi parang, okay, binagsak niya sa support na to, magkakaalaman ngayon isang linggo after. So, I would not, I mean, if I have an option, I would go for Ethereum and ADA as of the moment. If given an opportunity, may extra ako. No? Let's go to, yan, Tesla, Chi, Santa Maria. Please do stay. 9 o'clock, we're gonna start our stock market. FTM and Reco to 4 ABAX. Reco to 4 ABAX. Please do stay as well. Eduardo Romano. We're gonna check that by 10 p.m. Let's go to the crypto lang muna on the next 30. We have schedule para lang na natin. Okay. For Mana, given the sentiment of the whole crypto space, no, a whole higher market cap, you are currently in the support, but we are declining already of the momentum. We are seeing a lot of rejection around this area. It's a matter of time kung i-breakout na yan o hindi. So, kung ako dyan, hihintay muna ako ng breakout. Kasi, lahat is naghihintayan, no? Hindi ko muna itong bibilin tong support na to, though nasa range support siya. Hintay ko siya mag-trade ulit dito sa above. Pag nag-breakout pa possible, no? Ito, medyo i-reconsider ko yan kung maganda yung takbo ng other sentiment ng ibang crypto. Pero for now, wag hindi muna kasi baka i-break down for Mana. So, sentiment is everything, hindi lang technical yan, ha? Kasi if the whole sentiment on the crypto is bearish, most likely bibigay yung yung momentum, no? Nasa momentum pa siya pero may mga rejections na tayo nakikita. That tells us that it could break down soon. MA Garcia, ADA is really a test buy for me tonight. If you nakita mo kanina, no, nasa support siya ng weekly chart, nasa support din siya ng daily chart. So ganda ng natin. Ganda ng confluence, no? Katecoin. Excuse me. Busog ako, ah. Okay, for Katecoin, ito ba yung Katecoin or may ibang iba? Ito naman yung Katecoin, wala na iba, eh, no? O baby Katecoin. So, ito lang naman siguro. Okay, so tingnan natin dito sa 4-hour chart since wala tayong nakikitang 3-hour chart. Okay, tingnan natin ang mga divergences. Wala tayong nakikitang divergences. Wala tayong nakikitang... Okay. So currently, on this suggestion ko dito, abangan mo na lang dito, bro. Okay? Kasi after this trend here, okay, kita mo yan, no? If you're part of the masterclass, yan, no? Indication of a Russian Shuriken breakdown of this one. So if magkaroon ng green candle dito sa area na to, maybe you can test. Bayan, no? Nag-breakout. Ang galing, ha? Grabe, binagsak nito, ha? Ano yung bila yung presyo, oh? Ito ba yun? Grabe to, ah. Okay, kung ganyan yung presyo niyan, hintay mo na lang dito mag-fill the gap. Pasok ka. Since nag-breakout siya. As of the moment. Katecoin base. Okay. Pangit naman siya, B1. Anong... Tingin ako ng ticker symbol. Para makita natin. Okay, ito naman, SEZ, USDT, SET, okay, ito ba? Ayan. SKZ. Alright, thank you. So, Dex Tools, up. Yung dito sa trading view, ano natin sa trading view? Okay, XED, USDT. Okay, Tether. Yan, okay. Ito muna tayo kay XC. Okay, for this one, okay, we are seeing a bullish divergence there. Bullish divergence ng stochastic plus a moving average and a green candle. This can be a test buy tonight. Okay, ingat na lang dito on this resistance level. Pwede itong bilhin, especially on the 4-hour chart. Tingnan natin ang 4-hour chart kung may confirmation. Yeah, meron confirmation. Okay. So, if a 4-hour chart mo na lang to, laruin mo na tong sideways na to. So, kung magkaroon ng breakout, buy. Kung wala, babang ulit sa support. Yan, okay? So, may buy siya today. I-micro mo na lang sa 4-hour chart. Katecoin Tether. Wala talaga lumabas eh. Katecoin. Natin dito. Katecoin. Wala eh. Wala. Ano ba dito? Wala dito eh. Oh. Yeah. Katecoin. Ba't naman gusto nyo mga ganito, no? Yan. Wala eh. Okay. Mamaya na yan. Mamaya na yung Katecoin. Wala eh. Hindi natin makikita. Hirap. Maubos oras natin. Okay. 9:56 on the evening. Meta. Solana. Let's go to Solana. Let's go to Solana. Okay. Solana. Here. Solana also, yan, ito may delikado rin sa Solana ngayon. Already break your all-time high. Hindi ko siya bibilin kasi baka mag-subside pa yan hanggang dito. Yan. So, kaabangan ko yan dito na. I would set order at 197 area. Okay? Medyo nagre-react na yan, no? Kung magkaroon man ng green candle yan bukas, crucial na tong breakout na yan. So, medyo breakdown na siya doon. Kung magkaroon ng green candle yan, crucial to. Itong area na to. So, mas better for us to wait for it here. Definitely here. Ito malakas na support for me ngayon. Ayan, medyo delikado yung itsura ni Solana. Okay, let's go to isang Solana. Meta Facebook. Meta USD. Okay, for Meta buy sa akin tonight. Si Meta. Okay, buy sa akin tonight si Meta. Let's draw a strike to trend line here. There you go. Ayan. Okay, I'm gonna tell you why it's a buy for me. Okay. Okay, that's an uptrend. Okay, another one. This is a breakout. Okay, breakout, support, breakout. Then we have a buy signal. So, test buy yan for me. Hindi ko na inintayin dito. Kasi pag dito ko inintayin sa MA20, that means breakdown yan. So, it's indicating a momentum as of the moment. So, yan. Tingnan natin. Okay? Atlas. Mayroon bang Atlas na, no? Okay, 1 minute, 2 minutes, fuse. Saan tayo dito? Natin dito as well. Alright, so ito, wag nyo na itong galawin. May end of trend na to. Dito ulit tayo tabang. Itong range na to. So dito natin tingnan kung magkakaroon siya ng green candle or not. Okay? Simple lang. Ayan, Miyota. Market cap Miyota. Miyota is looking for a breakout candle. Isa pa for Miyota. If makakita tayo ng isang breakout kay Miyota there, confirm to a buy. Isa pang green candle tomorrow. Tingnan natin tomorrow. Okay. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a bounce trade for me. We have a breakdown of the support there, looking for a quick bounce trade up to here. Trend-wise, tapos na yung uptrend. So, we are seeing a downtrend line. Ayan, downtrend line ito. Ayan. We are seeing a current downtrend line on this one. Very, very crucial tong area na to kasi kung babibigay yan, most likely dito na to. Delikado na yan. So, bounce trade for Dogecoin. So far, sa nakita natin, Ethereum na lang bilhin nyo. Wag na Ethereum. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Okay, all-time high, MA50, demand zone, strong demand zone, gawin natin green. Okay, gawin natin green. Ba't nasan yun to? Bakit nawala yung box nito? Yun. Ayan. You are in the demand zone in the MA50. So, this is a retest on the support with the pin bar. Kung magkaroon yan ng closing ng ganyan, malakas to. So, yan, ito lang bibili. And also ADA. ADA, ito lang. Sa lahat nakita ko, yung Meta, ito, tsaka ito lang. Yung bibilin natin. Bibilin ko. Kung ako yan. Okay, or the weekly chart si ADA nasa lower area. Okay, si ADA on a daily chart nasa MA 200. So, okay, medyo crucial si ADA. Oops. Yan, tagalin natin to. Yan. Okay. So, ADA ang nakikita ko, tsaka yan. The rest, wala. The rest, hindi ko advise. Medyo hindi ko kaganda. Tingnan natin last. Itong H-bar. Market cap na lang ako, hindi na ako mag-USD Okay, ito, break of trend line. Bakit din ng mga tingi-tingi? We have a gap here. Na-fulfill naman yan ng gap. We have a break of trend line. We have a confirmation possible downtrend. We can see it bounced here on the MA50. Abangan mo MA50 possible. Okay, Acro BTC last. Okay, Acro BTC. Okay, Acro BTC. Down. I would not buy the support, pero kung gusto mo naman based on price action, pwede. Okay, pwede naman siya. Nasa support level ka naman. Pero hindi ko babilin yan. Kasi mas gusto ko siyang bilhin dito. Pinakabababang presyo. Ang most likely kasi mangyari nito sa tingin ko. Bias ko to. Backdug. Okay, so yun itsura. Possible na to. Hindi, kasi ito kaka-breakdown lang niya ng momentum. It's signifying as a downtrend for that. Okay, 8BNB. 8BNB. Meron maka 8BNB. Wala eh. Wala. Wala akong nakikita ng 8BNB. Okay. Tapos tayo. Ito pa, last. May gusto mumabol. QNT daw. QNT sa ito. UNT USD. Yeah, okay. For this one, delikado din tayo. Nasa mixed support and resistance yan. Tapos may breakdown pa siya ng descending triangle. So, medyo delikado ang position yan, no? This is the neckline. This is the descending triangle. Kung magkaroon ng green candle yan, kailangan mag-close yan above dito. Kung hindi, boom, matulis na ganyan. Ang mangyayari dito, matulis na bagsak. Mahina yung sumusupport sa kanya. Wag niyong pilit kung wala. Structure wise, kahit paborito nyo, wag niyo pilit, guys. It's better to buy stocks na pataas kaysa sinasalo mo pababa. If sinasalo mo yung pababa, may confirmation. Pwede. I would rather buy higher para sure pataas than buy it lower na you'll never know where the bottom is no? So isa yan sa mga natutunan ko throughout even in Forex, no? Okay, let's go to the stock market. It's 10 o'clock. The market will open in the next few minutes, next 30 minutes. So let's check our bias on the market. And for those who actually requested there, thank you so much for that. Okay. Palakpakan naman isang malupit yan. Okay. Let's go to our sectoral analysis. To take profit na ako tonight, Hindi ako bibili. I would go safe. I want to protect my earnings. Kung may bibili na ako tonight, gusto ko bounce trade, yung babagsak talaga siya. Yung talagang gap down, sasaluhin ko yun. No. Pero yung bibili ako tapos nasa support, hindi ko gagawin yun. Or breakout, hindi ako bibili. Okay. Kasi baka hindi sustainable. Alright. Okay, let's check na natin ang sectoral in the last. Yan. Okay. So as again, if you also been watching this live, we mentioned that the energy stocks will about the bounce nung Monday. And it did. Kung titingnan natin. And also, we also mentioned that the consumer discretionary is really picking off because of the reopening of the market. Definitely good. Okay, one thing that we are noticing right now is your financial sector, it's consolidating in a downtrend line there. So one thing that we need to check, especially for that one. And good thing, okay, we are seeing a breakout on technology stocks, particularly on the sector of computer, hardware, not on the Nasdaq, but yung technology SLK. May breakout nangyayari dito, Siguro possible followed yan ng mga transportation. Tingnan natin, Yeah. And also, our healthcare is consolidating but medyo dahan-dahan. So for tonight, I can see a momentum on the technology stocks, SLK na sector, not Nasdaq, iba yun, pagkaiba sila. Okay, then follow through on a energy. Okay, medyo hihina talaga ngayon mga communications, pangit communication. Financial sector, benta na tayo. Kung may mga financial sector kayo. Benta nyo yung mga financial sector nyo. Teka, tingnan ko sa comport. I'm gonna look into that. Alright, let's go to diretso tayo for tonight. So, ayan. At least meron tayong overview. Tingnan natin dito. I'm gonna sell all. Ayan, am I back? Can you hear me, guys? Yes, yes, yes. Can I have no? No. You can hear me, guys? Let's go. Yeah. Paano naman pa-confirm if you can hear me because I lost you. Okay, thank you. All right, there you go. Sige, tingnan natin. Okay. Okay, this is my other port. This is my PI port. Bumagsak din sa mga crypto. Maybe wala akong crypto dito. Tanggalin ko muna yung iba. Okay dito. LTC ko. Lakas. BTC. MC and everything. Okay. FB. Mahina ko iba dito. SXRP. Okay. Dogecoin ko. You failed me. Okay. You failed me, Dogecoin. Okay. Let's go. At yung sinasabi ko, Jimea nahulog ng 20% kahapon. If you can remember, chinart natin si Jimea nung last week, no? Sabi ko sa inyo, pangit pa itsura niya. Despite na support siya, latak na kasi yung nangyayari kay Jimea. Sabi ko, for those who are aggressive, you can test buy. But, hindi tayo nakakakita ng full reversal. Okay, yung binili na, ito, di ko pala sinabi, di ko pala ni-recommend to, no? Dito ko ni-recommend siya bilhin. Pero dito sabi ko, may resistance pa yan. No? Sabi ko, wag nyo basta-basta bibilin kasi it's acting the resistance. Ayan, yun ang nangyari dyan. May earnings report pa pala. Oh. Ako, delikado. Okay, so tingnan natin dito. Let's see. Tingnan natin kung papasok to sa Chidori. Tingnan natin. Tagalin natin. Kaya magbabawas ako dito. Magta-take profit. Tingnan natin si PayPal. Kasi if you can remember, sabi nyo, hold natin si PayPal. Tingnan natin opening kasi bibenta ko na sa opening. Nako! Sabi ko sa inyo guys eh. Ang laki na binagsak. Kahapon. Pero sige lang. Tingnan natin saan babagsak. Price action. Ako, unahan tayo ng market. 3%, 15% of my... Makukuha ko lang dito $75. Pwede na to. Kaya. Naunahan tayo ng market. Hindi ko na sell on strength. Sell off ako, sell half. Sayang na, sell off to. Tanggalin ko muna tong iba. Tanggalin ko na sa opening yung iba. Kesa pa bumagsak. Ito rin. 15%. Sayang, no? Naunahan tayo ng market. Jimea. Okay. Hopefully hindi, no? Jimea is... Wala, downtrend si Jimea talaga, guys. Okay, pero si Jimea, good thing kay Jimea, no? Good thing kay Jimea, Sir Joseph, is we are actually aiming for the bottom already. So, yung mga ganyang reactions ng market, it's indicating na medyo papunta na to ng bottom. Malapit na yung bottom. Okay? I think tinuro ko yan eh. Tinuro ko yan sa inyo. This is what they call capitulation. So, magmo-momentum yan with high volume. Then we can see a pause. Doon tayo bibili. So, sayang naman to. Nakakainis. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, for Baba, stability is good. Good. Okay tayo dyan. Alright. Let's go to your request. Check ko lang muna tong aking magano ko dito. Bilis lang, mabilis lang. Okay. Okay pa naman. Buhay pa naman to. Okay. Wala na ako iba eh. Paano yung crypto na yung bumuhay sa akin eh. Okay, buhay pa naman yung... Honestly, consumer discretionary, hanap kayo mga restaurants. Yan ang bilhin nyo. Okay? Nasa consumer sector tsaka technology yung mga tao ngayon. Okay, let's go to first is, sino ba yung request? ENJ. Ito si sir kanina pa nagsabi. O sabihin, hindi ko siya pinapansin. Okay, dito. ENJ, ano ba to? Energy New Orleans? Okay, to begin with, sir, I would not buy this one. If this is what you're trying to ito yun to. Kasi for me, this is illiquid to begin with, no? No? Illiquid yung ganyan. Pa-check nga si EURUSD. Nag-alarm ko siya kay EURUSD. Illiquid yung ganito. Hindi natin siya titingnan. That's one thing that we need to observe. Hindi yan illiquid yung ganito. So, hindi natin ito titingnan yung mga ganyan, no? Hey. Okay. Next tayo is Tesla. Alright. For Tesla, I mentioned you guys is ito, crucial to. Crucial tong area na to. So, hindi pa rin... This is only a bounce trade. Okay, this is only a bounce trade, but my bias will go here for Tesla. Different story if i-break out na yan. Hanggang di niya bini-break out tong area na yan, wala akong gagawin kay Tesla because for me, this is a pure bounce trade for Tesla. Yes, ayan. Yan, no? Bounce trade lang to. So, hindi ko yan fully position. Hindi pa tayo nakakita ng full reversal. Next is CRO. Dapat na mag-open ng market. Okay, ito mga support na to, hindi ko muna bibilin. Kasi nga, yung sentiment ng market is not on a bad shape. Tapos downtrend pa to. No, downtrend pa yan ng more than 20% from the top. Okay? So, hindi ko to bibilin despite na nasa support yan. Baka matulad pa yun kay Jimea. Yan, isa yan. Lahat ngayon, benta, promise. Okay, this one, naka-atlas ako dito. Hindi nag-sustain yung momentum dito. Hindi talaga niya, nag-double top. Then, nag-breakdown. CRW. Hindi pa naman tinamaan para CRW. CRW, hindi ko rin to bibilin because mayroon near resistance na nangyayari dito. Kung binili mo to kahapon, better. Kasi nag-open siya above the closing eh, no? Nag-open siya above the closing. Then nag-close within the body. If meron ka nito, take profit ka na around this area. So, kung ngayon ka pa bibili, mas delikado na yan for me. Mga 4% lang yung profit nito for CRW. SQ. SQ is SQ. Okay, yan, no? Alright, for SQ naman, we are seeing a pure sideways market with different levels there. Tatlo. Kita nyo doon, iba-iba yung level niya. I would buy this if we can see a breakdown on this area here. Breakout on this area. Okay, for now, gusto natin mangyari dito is i-retest itong area na to. Kung bumalik yan dyan, tapos magkaroon ng green candle, maybe this is a very strong support. Kung hindi niya gawin yon, hindi ko muna to titingnan, no? Kasi ipinakita niya na hindi siya reversal eh. Kinonfirm niya na sideways ako, hindi ako trending market. Sideways ako in a very big picture for SQ, no? Okay. Let's go to spot. Okay, Spotify. Alright, for Spotify, we are here, na breakout here. Hindi nagsustain, nagbalik dito ng ilang araw. Spotify. Okay, for this one, I would test to buy this one. Pwede to i-test buy to na, hindi pa siya test buy. Okay, kung mag-close to above MA20 tonight, kung umangat yan ng, for example, mga 1 hour before the closing is it tries to close 1%, 2% tonight, maybe pwede natin yan makonsider bilhin. Tingnan natin ng Fibonacci nito. Ayan, tama, sakto ako. So kung mag-close siya above this area here, ayan, kung mag-close siya above this area, we can consider buying it. Pero for now, di muna, no? May support na umahawak. It's just a matter of confirmation kung intact ba tong support na to. Intact ba yung support na yan? No? Kung hindi, baka dito natin abangan to. Long-term trend line na. Dito na to, 50. Itong range na yan. For spot. Okay, INTC. INTC, okay. For INTC, kung bumili ka dito, congrats. Ngayon, dapat tinipi mo na yan. Yan sinasabi ko sa inyo, closing the gap. May INTC pa ba ako? Baka ako yung may INTC, hindi ko pa tinipid kasi hindi ko ginagalaw. Dapat matagal na yon. Wala ako, buti na lang. Okay. Meron ba ako dito sa kabila? Wala. Okay, so for INTC, since nagkaroon siya ng gap down and then you tried to close it on this level here, crucial to two things, no? Two things. If ibalik niya dito, definitely a buy. Kung magkaroon to ng green candle closing, definitely a buy. So for now, observe. Kasi your MA20 is acting resistance. Yan ang isa nating tingnan dyan. So hindi natin muna siya nag-close the gap. Then ngayon, nagre-retest. Okay? Rivian. Ito si Rivian. Medyo sikat to sa US ngayon eh. Si Rivian. Okay. IPO rule, third day. 1, 2, 3. No, this is not a buy for me. Si Rivian, fifth day na yan, no? May resistance. Day trade. Day trade lang to. Ilang percent ang inangat yan from ano? 89%, no? Dahil IPO. So day trade, pwede itong i-day trade 30-minute time frame. Okay? 30-minute time frame. Tingnan natin ang 2 hours time frame nito. Ayan, ito 2 hours time frame tayo. Okay, since nagmo-momentum siya, tingnan natin kung in the next after the first hour, second hour magkaroon ng buy opportunity here. Day trade lang to. Hindi to pwedeng i-buy and hold. Remember, it's 80% up already on an IPO price, no? If we're gonna do a Fibonacci retracement there, ayan na yung mga support. So, sakto may support pala dito. Kaya ito yung lugar na pwede niyang laruin. Day trade lang itong mga ganito, itsura. Okay? Alright. Okay, let's go to Python. Python, ganda ng balik kagabi. Alright, for Python, after that breakdown, supposedly, that's a buy signal on the breakout. But the sentiment is telling us, nako, baka i-subside ulit. Okay, tingnan natin, wala pa. I would suggest to retest on this area. Or i-break out ulit niya within today. Kung magkaroon ng breakout, nag-build up dito, pwede natin i-test ba yan for Python? Yeah, for Python. Pero ngayon, ano ko dito, abangan dito eh kasi sentiment babagsak eh. Mga stocks tonight. So magko-close siguro ako muna. Check muna TSM. Tingnan ko muna yung iba. Di pa ako nakabili niyan. Alibaba ko okay pa naman. ACB ko buhay pa. This January pa yan. LTC. Check ko nga sa LTC. Hindi nyo pa na-check to kanina. Daya nyo. Okay? Tingnan naman natin to sa LTC. Para tingnan ko i-close ko na yan. Ang ganda na itsura ng LTC ah. Nahulog yung momentum. Tingnan ko lang to si Link USD. Then let's go to the stock market. Okay lang, retest pa din. Wala akong magagawa na. Lucid, pwede ba daw humabol? Okay. Ayun, ang galing naman ng mga congratulations ulit sa mga nag-momentum trade nito, guys. Okay. Isa namang ano dyan? Isa namang palibre. I think si Eve yun, no? Eve Clara. Ayan, no? Na-momentum trader na talaga yung mga kasama ko. Okay, if you can remember, I told you guys to buy it here, no? Diba? If you can remember, sabi ko, bilhin nyo yan dyan. So, kung nabili nyo yan dyan, ganda ng gains nyo, nasa 55%. Tapos, kung bumili ka pa dito sa support na to, o kaya ito, ayan, meron ka ng gains dito. Ito, ayan, no? Opening na yan. Galing. Dapat ito, minsan dapat hindi na tayo lumalayo, eh, mga ganitong structure na, pinatinitingnan na lang natin, eh. Okay. The longer it goes, the higher it goes. So, for now, wala tayong gagawin. Ayan, no? So, wala. The longer it goes, the higher it goes. So, wala. For now, abang na lang tayo ulit kasi binirake out na ng binirake out niya. And we are near the major resistance. So, wala tayong gagawin dito, kundi mag-abang na lang. Dito to sa watches ko, ba't di ko binili to? Ayan. Anyway, wala na to guys. Very, very late. Very, very late. No? Pina-chart na to before dito. Pinabili ko na yan dyan. Itong area na to, itong breakout na yan, ito yan, itong green candle na yan. Hopefully, maraming nagtanong. Okay. Netflix. Netflix is breakout is an option. No? Pinakita ko na to eh. Netflix is take profit muna tayo dito guys. Just to be safe. Bawas muna kung may meron kayo. Near the resistance. Wala. Okay. Let's go to PLTR, AMC. Alright, PLTR. Ito, build up pa muna si PLTR. Tingnan natin kung mag-hold si PLTR. Maybe a good buy here to add is a breakout. Kasi naggagawa pa siya ng base. So, wala pa muna tayong gagawin dito. FCell, I'm also wanted to check on FCell. Okay, so after hitting the resistance for FCell, it's trying to retest the trend. Nagkaroon ng bounce area, then babalik siya dito. Okay. Since profit taking tonight ng mga tao, abangan muna natin dito kung mag-build up siya. Itong support na to. Kung magkaroon to ng another retest here, diba, babagsak yun dyan, no? Tapos sasaloy ng EMA 20. Pwede natin test by si EMA 20 kasi nasa support line. Try natin for this one. Kung kayang saluhin ng EMA 20. So, medyo kasi may breakdown na dito. So, wala muna tayo. Pero at least, nagmo-momentum siya. So, ito yung mga titingnan ko. Lucid, medyo late na tayo. Sayang talaga. Okay. FCell, DOU. AMC. Tapos na ako AMC. AMC, we're actually naghihintay ako magdagdag kay AMC if magkaroon ng breakout. For now, observe muna ako. Or AMC. Ba't ang dumi na itong chart? Sa masterclass yata to. Yeah. Hintay ko mag-breakout sa AMC before ako magdagdag for AMC. Pero bullish yung ano ko AMC. Disney, tingnan natin. Okay. Disney, sabi ko sa inyo, diba? Masyadong mataas sa Disney. Merong confirmation doon. Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon ng price action breakout. Nasa buy zone siya. Disney, pwedeng i-test buy tonight. Pwede i-test buy si Disney tonight. Sony, tingnan natin Sony. Sony Group Corporation. Dahil sa Spider-Man, no? Anticipation for the Spider-Man. Okay, nag-breakout. Nag-anticipation for the Spider-Man. Meron tayo na iwan na breakdown. Abangan natin to. Kasi baka feeling ko malaki kikita tayo ng Disney ng Sony. Abangan natin dito Abangan natin dyan. Huwag natin kunin yung momentum na yon. Tingnan natin mga gap ups. So, binabalikan talaga Observe nyo. Binabalikan talaga niya no? So, abangan natin dito. Si Sony. Okay. Sarap niya ni Lucid. Abang na lang. Tama. Abang na lang tayo dyan. Natin dyan. Okay, FB or Meta. Ito, hindi na pinapansin. Nakaganda naman to kasi. Maganda naman earnings. Wala naman dang gagawin. So, ayan. Meron ka palang breakout ng head and shoulders, May retest pa na confirmation. So, pwede itong bilhin. Pwede itong bilhin tonight. May confirmation ka retest, Mag-close ng green tonight. Bullish to. Si Facebook. Next tayo, BBBY. Consumer, hanapin nyo mga consumer, guys. BBBY. Okay, BBBY. BBBY may be a breakout on this area. Pwede natin i-consider. Honestly, pwede na to i-test buy for me, Sa opening, pwede na to i-test buy. Ingat na lang dito kasi meron ditong iniwang gap na naman. Pangit. Ano ba yan? Babalik. Iniwanan pa ng gap. Okay. Naku, ingat pala to. Ingat dito guys. Yung may gap na iniwan, kung magkaroon ng breakout, huwag nyo masyadong i-hold na matagal. Na? Please. Pero pwede natin tingnan yan. Hood. Hood is... Hoy, nag-confirm sa support si Hood ah. After this one, no? Nag-confirm sa support. Nagko-confirm sa support. Si Hood may be a consideration to buy tonight ah. Tingnan natin sa weekly chart. Ang volume. Tingnan natin sa 2-hour chart, 4-hour chart. Pwede to si Hood, guys. Bomba dito kay Hood, guys. 4-hour chart, oh. May continuation divergence. Ayan, oh. Continuation divergence, lakas niyan. May 4-hour na opening pa. May pera ba ako? Tanggalin ko muna to. Lahat. Si PayPal, nagtampo tuloy sa akin. Hindi ko may nebenta. Okay na ako kay PayPal. Wala na akong may bebenta. Yun na yun. Ba't panay crypto na? Maghihintay na lang ako. Okay. 40% ng portfolio na kay crypto. PFE. PFE, ano si PFE, medyo bullish pa naman ako kay PFE. So just that, ayaw kasi nahabol ng momentum yan. May resistance kasi dito. So wala ka nang gagawin. Kung ako sa'yo, kung nakapwesto ka dun sa Elite Club, which is pinabili dito na area, TP mo na. Bawas-bawas ka na. Respetuhin na. For me, always respect this resistance. Bawasan na lang. If mag-confirm at mag-trade ba above dito, dagdag ulit tayo. Talo ko sa Hood 2%. Okay yan. Nasa bottom ka naman. Masyado lang mababa yung ano mo. Yung... Masyado lang malaki yung inano mo. Kaya medyo... For me for Hood, I would go like mga 3 to 5% from the support. 3% from the main support down. That's my risk for that. Or even 5%. May kasi pwede pitikin eh. Tapos iangat. Sayang, no? Kung maka-cut loss. It's a matter of position sizing. Kung comfortable ka for that risk, dapat mailagay mo yung tama sa kanya. Sa masterclass, tinuturo yun. Para hindi kayo, for the rest, yung risk mo, hindi ka affected. 2%, 3%. Basta sakto yung lagay. NMDM support. We can see a buy range for this one. Tingnan natin dito kung merong... Yeah, pwede sa IND. Pwede rin sa NMDM, guys. Ingat na lang kasi baka mag-breakdown. May earnings report coming eh. Okay, ingat na lang for NMDM. Two things kasi medyo yung market nasa tuktok. Most likely, kung mag-breakout, pwedeng pumalo si NMDM. Kung mag-take profit yan, baka mabasag yung support. So, ingat na lang. Yun lang advice ko doon. For if you're gonna buy NMDM on that support. Which is nasa support siya, maganda naman. You have a lot of confluence on the support plus this one. For me, ang kalaban na lang natin sentiment ng buong markado. Okay. Naked. Mag-iingat ako, magbabawas ako eh. Excuse. Naked. Uy, open na market guys. Naked. Medyo bullish naman konti si Naked. If we can actually see a potential breakout on this area, pwede tayong bumili for Naked. For now, observe muna. So, maganda kasi sa kanya is nagkakaroon siya ng higher lows. Bibili ako ng Hood. Hindi pa rin nagko-close yung ano ko Uy, buti na lang. Meron pa akong natirang profit dito. Magkano kaya may TTP? Okay, we're sold at 211. How about this one? Masasold mo ba yan? PayPal? Close ko na to. MCB. Ayaw gumalaw Yun. Okay, good. Thank you. Sana, income yun. Nasaan yun? Nasaan yun? Wala. Sige, bibila akong Hood. Thank you for this, no? Tingnan natin si Hood on the 4-hour chart. Okay, papattern ko na si Hood. Okay, si Hood. Okay, bibila ako ng Hood later. Dito, abangan natin. Ayan, lagyan natin si Hood dyan. Lagyan natin dyan si Hood. Buhay naman yung support eh. Okay, tingnan natin si Crowd. Si Crowd. Okay, Crowd. Anay ko yung lows ni eToro na maganda yung ano ko. Tapos na ako dito, no? Tapos na ako kay Crowd eh. Tapos na ako dito. Naka-atlos ako dyan kay Crowd, oh. Yung drop down na yan, umukong. Hindi ko yung gagalawin. Ang daming resistance. Ayoko kay Crowd muna. Ford is building at the top. We can see here one. Ayoko, laki ng volume. Kay Ford, observe. Wala tayong gagawin kay Ford. Honestly, lahat talaga ngayon, wala. Medyo if may makita kayong bounce trade, dun tayo mamimili for Ford. Wala tayong gagawin dito. Okay, another one is here. So, wala. Wala tayong confirmation. Tapos na tayo. MCRB. Ano to, MCRB? 1032. MCRB. Daily chart. Uy, ganda rin to ah. Ganda to ah. Ano to? Biotech. Ceres, 28K volume, market cap. Okay to ah. Meron ba to sa eToro? Uy, pwede to oh. May kagi pa yata to eh. Uy, kagi nga oh. Kagi ba? Oh, kagi nga. Good find to ah. Oh, ito, watchlist na to, watchlist. Ito, tingnan natin to. May gap pa. Okay, for this one. Ganda to ah. Okay, for this one, titingnan natin to. Tingnan natin kung mag-retest to ng area here. Kung mag-retest dyan ng area, possible natin bilhin yan. With the confirmation on the daily chart. Tingnan natin. Bababay muna natin. For now, ganda nakikita kong pattern sa kanya. Piton, tapos na tayo kay Piton. Piton is, wala tayong muna gagawin kay Piton kasi hindi pa siya tapos eh. Hindi pa kino-confirm yung trend niya. Baka ibalik pa dito. So, kung ibalik dyan, possible. Wag natin basta bilhin yung mga green na ganyan kasi hindi natin alam, no? Nag-close pa below. If magkaroon ng opening, closing dito ulit si Piton, possible we can test buy or now. NVAX, Novavax, wala. Hindi muna natin titingnan to si Novavax. Wala pa tayong nakikitang setup sa kanya. Nasa mga resistance pa siya. So, wala. Resistance. So, wala pa tayong kita. Daming resistance. Okay? So, sideways. Daming resistance, Bryce. Wag muna. Wag Novavax. Oracle. O nga, si Oracle kahapon, no? Merong continuation pattern. Pwede pa ito abulin, Reg. Kaso yung sentiment, ayoko talaga mamili ngayon eh. Pwede pa ito habulin if magkaroon ng support buo dito in the next 2 hours. Kung magkaroon ng green candle in the next 2 hours, pwede yan. Ayan, no? So, kung magkaroon to ng green candle, pwede to. Nakita mo yung MA5, sinasalo na. So, crucial yung 2 hours niya. ACB, bullish na ako kay ACB kasi eh. Confirm na yung reversal ko kay ACB. It's a matter of waiting na lang ako dito. I'm gonna add more if magkaroon ng breakout on this area here. Kay ACB. So, I buy and hold na ako kay ACB. Hintay na lang ako. For now, hintay na lang kasi binibuild up na niya. Kasi medyo gusto niya butasin yung 200 eh. So, kailangan niya ng more shares to do that. Or more buyers to do that. So, maybe I'm gonna cut loss or like take profit on my positions if ibabagsak niya ng MA20. Yeah, tatagal na to. January pa ako magbebenta nito. Okay, check natin iba. Di pumasok yung ano ko, PayPal. Ayun, buti na lang pumasok. Kahit buti na lang pumasok yung PayPal natin. So, naka-atlas ako kay Crowd. Nag-gap down ako. Nakatlos din ako kay Oxy. Nakatlos din ako kay isang posisyon kay Jibo. Pero at least nabawi ko naman ngayon, so recently. So, which is still good. This port is up by 64%, but plus this one, maybe I'm up 100% this year. This one, okay. BB. Sige, natin si BB. PayPal, benta na ako dyan. Benta na ako kay PayPal. Hindi ko na... Okay na ako kay PayPal. Okay, ulitin ko guys ha. Ulitin ko. Para align tayo lahat. Okay, tingnan nyo to. The market is already at the top. Okay, meaning the sentiment of the total market, which is 500 companies, and 75% of the traded companies already at the top. So I'm still bullish. I'm still a very, very bullish on the total market. But I would better to take profit muna and respect this one. Maybe kung magkaroon to ng breakout, okay, magkaroon ng full breakout and retest there, I would buy more for December. Pero yung mga bounce trades ko na mga malalapit na bagsak, katulad nung kanina, hindi ko na yun inaano. Pero may position pa din ako na iba, like yung mga Alibaba, itong mga red ko na yan, dami. Hindi ko ikakatlos yan. Pero kung mamimili muna ako, labas muna. Kung mamimili ako, dalawa, consumer. Yeah, let me pull out something with you guys, no? Okay. In the Elite Club. So, in the Elite Club, we've mentioned guys na last September, gonna let you know. Wala. Okay, ito. I'm gonna give you an update, no? On the Elite Club, we've already expected na namin na ang consumer area will be actually flourishing since August. This one. So this is the data that we have in the Elite Club. No? Okay, there you go. Okay, that's why sabi ko nga sa inyo, better position kayo ng mga consumer and technology stocks. Okay, kasi financial medyo nasa tuktok ng konti, maghahanap ng support. So, kuha kayo ng mga consumer, specifically restaurants market. Okay, why? Because this is my outlook. Okay, wait lang. Hanapin ko ha. Saan na yun? Alright. Saan na yung data natin? Dito to ba? Ano ba to? May? Hindi pa pala to. May technology. April pa to eh. No? Layo pala. Saan yung ano ko? Yan, ito. First of the year, stocks UV, July. Dito. Saan? Okay, ito yata. No, that's one. Not this one. Trading period, volatility ahead. Nasaan na yun? Napin ko ha. July. Ito ba yun? No, August yun eh. If I can remember, August yata yun eh. Ito. No. Not the one. So, okay. August yata. Wait lang ha. Ayan. This one. Ito. Okay. This is the August report. Okay, in the economy and also in the market, no? Para makita niyo din yung outlook. Kasi na-confirm na to nung August eh. Kaya nakita natin tonight. Okay, let me just pause this one. This is, I think, the September report ni Elite Club. We've been actually given a data that in terms of the economy, the crucial for any economy is the spending. No, that you can actually check the economy based on the spending, if it's really kicking na or not. No, based on the September report on the Elite Club, if you notice, the retail is actually up by 11%. So nagtuloy na pipick up sa US, and the restaurants since September. Okay, so kung titingnan mo dyan, kung titingnan mo yung mga nagtataasan yan since yung mga consumer, tingnan mo yung consumer discretionary. Saan titingnan consumer discretionary? Ito. Yan. Consumer discretionary. Ayan. Bigyan ko kayo ng data. Ayan, kita nyo yung reopening. This year, tingnan natin yung January. Okay. Tingnan natin dito. Okay, this one. Okay, this year tayo. Tingnan natin this year. 2021. Your consumer discretionary is your XLY. Okay, XLY. Consumer discretionary, ito yung mga the tama dyan, yung mga companies wherein they have an option to buy it or not, hindi siya totally needs, no? Hindi siya totally needs. Kaya nga discretion. If you also notice there on the SPX 500, it's breaking out against SPX 500, which is here. So, sabay siya ng technology. Kasi nauna yung financial market this year tsaka energy. So, sumabay talaga siya kasabay ng this one, no? So, consumer discretionary. So, based on the report, the actually is one on the discretionary part is your restaurants. This one. So, also, because of that consumer sentiment, no, yung August, medyo nag-pick up siya, konting decline lang siya nung August pero binawi niya nung October. Okay? So that's why nakita dyan is a very, very, ayan, kino-confirm ngayon yung January, nakita mo nag-aataasan yung consumer discretionary sector. So kung gusto mo makita yung mga stocks sa consumer discretionary sector, punta ka sa spdr.com. Let me just pull it out. Ito yung top 10 closure. Tingnan natin SPDR, XLE, there's dito. Yan, dito. Tingnan natin dito. SLE, yan. O page not bound, ba't ganun? Ayan, ito. XLY. You type here XLY. Nawala. Ayun. Mamaya tingnan na natin. So, isa yan sa mga sentiment ko na maganda. Na maganda because of this data. And also, if we're going back to the elite na, okay, look at the November data. So, this is the 20-year average on the sector. Maganda kasi nga dito kung part kayo ng Elite Club, nauna kayo sa informations. No? Nakapwesto na kami noong October sa technology. Ito yung 20-year average the past 2 years. The November natin, no, dapat tinakpan ko yung iba. Pero para sa inyo, hindi. Okay. Consumer discretionary is actually confirming that from that data on September, now confirming the 2.7 probability of around 70% to 70%, 74% that it's actually going up, no, for this one. So very confirmed, no, for this month. Okay? So isa yan sa mga bias ko, pero for now, since pataas pa lang siya, baka mauna yung umangat after technology. Sabay sila ng technology most likely. Kaya kung meron yan, kaya kita nyo nung nagpa-chart ng donut, bili ako kagad. Diba? Kita nyo? Pag-chart natin ng donut, uy, alam ko na kagad nakita ko na kasi yung report. Uy, restaurants is one. Tapos, eto, may pinakita pang technical breakout. Uy, reopening of the market. Uy, restaurant is one. Consumer discretionary sector is going for this month. Bibili ko na kasi confirm na technicals pa lang. Lalo na tong retest of the support. That's the power of the Elite Club because on the Elite Club, guys, you can get those informations and every month, nagpo-provide kami ng ganyang information sa Elite Club. Not just the report but also give you heads-on updates on we're buying those information, honestly. We're buying those informations for that and then dinadissect na ng research team natin yan and giving all these things for you. So may statistical data yan. Okay? So I hope that helps. At least kahit paano na i-cascade sa inyo. Yan. Okay. Alright, so there you go. At least nag-green ang aking So meron akong pera pandagdag. So again, kung bibili ako, more into technology, consumer discretionary, and material sector ang mga titingnan ko. The rest, bye-bye muna. Okay. Alright, let's go back to the chat box. ACB, tapos na ba ayos? Naka-position na? Oo, dapat lang. Position na tayo dyan kasi isa yan sa paborito kong stocks ngayon. Coin, S-Box, confirm, bros. Affirm. Okay, let's go to S-Box natin. R-Box. Ito, mga magagandang companies. Lalo na makita nyo bumabagsak, maganda yung fundamentals. Tapos nasa right sector. Buy more with all trigger. Diba? Buy more. Ito for Starbucks. Okay, we are waiting like a we are waiting for Starbucks to reverse. Okay, same kay donut. So we're not seeing a reversal, huwag natin bilhin, no, for Starbucks. Baka kasi do nasa consumer discretionary yan, baka masyado na siyang mahal from July pa lang. So kailangan niya mag-retrace talaga. 'Di ba? So yan. Safe ba mag-X5 sa Meta? Kanina? Depende kung saan mo ika-cut loss. Kung depende kung magkano ilalagay mo, saka mo siya ika-cut loss. Safe 'yan kung naintindihan mo paano gumamit ng tama dyan? Leverage. Kung calculated mo siya sa risk management mo. Ikaw makakasagot nun, sir. Hindi ako. Okay. Atin ka masterclass, ituturo ko sa iyo paano gumamit ng leverage. Okay. BlackBerry. Technology software. Yan. BlackBerry is also a buy signal for me tonight. Tingnan natin to. Ayan. Isa yan. No? Isa rin tong ayan, may breakout na yung pinapakita. Medyo buy for me to, It's a sideways dito. Supposedly, itong candle na to. Si BlackBerry, buy signal sa akin tonight. Ito din na isa, no? Parang head and shoulders yung itsura, no? Head, shoulder, knees and toes. No? Itsura niya, no? Head and shoulders. Okay. Yam. Tingnan natin si Yam. Pwede rin. Tingnan natin Neo. Tumabit natin si Neo muna. Si Neo is still on the support levels. Ito crucial ni Neo, guys. So I have Neo as well. Tingnan natin si Neo na napurga yung Neo ko. Nagbuy ako dito malaki ba because of the reversal. I'm waiting for Neo to confirm if it's still uptrend or not. So atong red line ko to, ito yung crucial. As long as it's there, wala akong gagawin for Neo. Okay? Alright? PayPal tapos na din. Tapos na kay PayPal. Binenta na natin si PayPal. Late na yan si PayPal. Si PayPal was a bounce trade. We actually exited the bounce trade for PayPal. Sabay-sabay tayo bumili dyan nung nagbumagsak. No? Okay. Yam. Tingnan natin si Yam. Brands. Ayan. Meron to. May confirm reversal. Diba? Consumer, restaurants. Diba? Kita nyo yung power line information. Di ko nakikita yung chart. Pero pag sinabing consumer, ayan, may power na reversal. Isang green candle lang inintay natin dito. Bibili na natin yan. Isang one more green candle. Diba? Okay. Ito yung isa pa. Ito pa isa. Patay pong the chat box. Ano yung isa? Okay? Papakita ko sa inyo, Hindi ko papakita, pero tatakpan ko. Okay? Ano pa yung sulat sa chat box? Ano pa yung isa? Okay. Meron kaming alam sa Elite Club. Papakita ko sa inyo, Lalagyan namin ng takip para meron kayo. Yan. Isa pa. Okay. Ito pa isa. Okay. Oops, sorry. Papakita ko sa inyo, Kaya subscribe na kayo kasi walang tapon sa Elite Club, guys. Takpan ko para makita nyo. Para hindi nyo makita. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, isa. Alam namin kung kailan kami magbebenta, uubusin namin yung port namin. Okay? Kasi pinakita na sa studies. Ayan, okay. Kung maintindihan nyo tong mga numbers na yan, bonus na yan, guys. Wait lang, asan yan? Kung maintindihan nyo yung numbers na to, bonus na yan. So, screenshot nyo na yan para makita nyo. Okay, screenshot niya. Ito yung November report. Ayan. So, may studies tayo. Kita nyo. So, okay, kung naintindihan nyo to, okay, bonus nyo na. Makikita nyo kung kailan yung total decline ng buong merkado based on the market. Based on the market statistics. Ayan, studies na yan, Another one is, what's next? Another one is, di ba, sinabi ko kasi restaurants. Ngayon nag-confirm. Ayan na, si Yam. Umangat na si Yam. Okay, may nakapwesto na kami. Pang December and January. January hanggang March. Nakapwesto na yung Elite Club. Ganun yung power na information. So, on the chat box, subscribe na kayo. Walang tapon. Tulungan nyo na lang kami dito to buy more informations. Ayan. Basahin nyo na lang yun sa Elite Club. Okay, ito na. Particularly, ito si Yam. Kita natin, no? We're just waiting for it to fully break out. But definitely because of this breakout, then reconsolidation. Okay? Very, very powerful reconsolidation. Definitely, I'm gonna put it on my watch list. Okay, there go. It's actually playing on the 0.5 and now breaking on the 382. So, isa to. Tingnan natin dito si Yam. Puposisyon ako dito. Baka bumili ako niyan. Okay, let's go to ano ba isa? JFC. Oh, ano si JFC? Meron ako nito. Meron ako JFC. Nasa 17%. Ayan. Kasi kung ano nangyayari sa US market, ganun din mangyayari sa PSE. So, parang medyo mababasa-basa mo na ng konti sa PSE. Kung in terms of the total sentiment. Meron akong GFC. Tinitrend follow ko na yan. Nag-breakout na yun. Yan pa lang. Low. Sige, si low for real estate. Uy, galing yung low ah. Ito din maganda rin yung mga real estate kasi inflation protected tong mga to eh. Malaki yung kita nila dahil sa mga laki ng earnings. Oh. Okay. First gate to, sir, pag nag-breakout, alam mo na, ano mang gagawin? Bukas. Or dito na area pag binalikan. Yan. Sa low. Nag-momentum na to, so baka magtuloy-tuloy siya. You have your RSI burst there, oh. So, check na yan. Okay? Thank you, Je, for typing isa. Yan. Okay, uy, bilis ng oras ha. BKNG. Uy, alam niyo ba itong BKNG? Alam mo isang fun fact ng BKNG? During 1999, during the dot-com crash, this is one of the companies who survived the dot-com crash. Isa sa mga nag-survive. Like, in the 900 companies who did IPO, 3 lang sila. Ito, Amazon, ito, tsaka isa. Nakalimutan ko isa. Basta, ito, Amazon, tsaka BKNG. So, wala. Pero, in terms of the trend, not so good. Not so good so far. So, I'm looking for to buy Hood tonight because of that major support. Tingnan natin kung magtuloy ito or magkaroon ng super support to. Ayan. Sige. O yun. Sige. Subside mo pa para makita natin. Ayan. Okay. I'm looking to buy Yam also. Tingnan natin to. Ayan. Makita natin dito sa 15 minutes. Bigyan niya ako ng green candle dito. Bibiling ko na to. Yam din as well. Bibili ako nitong Yam. Angat ng 15-minute chart niya, no? Makakita ko ng breakout. Baka bilhin ko to. For Yam. May breakout na tayo sa RSI 50. DKS. Last week, 5 minutes na lang tayo. This one. Green candle. Next green candle, we're gonna buy. If magkaroon ng green candle on this green line here. So, kung magkaroon siya ng 133, bumabagsak kayo. Ingat na lang kasi may earnings report coming eh. Baka nag-shakin yung mga emotions na mga yan. So, if mag-close ng green candle within this range, okay, try to buy for this one. Malakas pa naman siya eh. No? TSM, PayPal, McDo, MCD. Let's go to McDo. Si MCD ganda rin ang trend ni MCD. I'm gonna check this on the MA20 around this area. Bumalik siya dyan, then magkaroon ulit ng support katulad nitong candle na to. Kasi parang gusto niya mag-sideways eh. Kung magkaroon niya ng support doon, may possible. Bilhin natin siya. Okay. Let's check. I have money. Maybe magdadagdag ako kay Donut. Neo, di ko muna check. Okay, LNC. Dami iba din. Ipit din ako no? Itong BCH, kailangan ko i-check yan. Tingnan natin sino isa? Isa na kanina tingnan natin. Si Hood, tsaka sino pa ba? PLTR, Neo, Shop, tapos na tayo dyan. TSM. TSM also, no? Ayan. TSM, maybe. Baka bumili ako kay TSM. Baka bumili ako kay TSM, ha? Dagdag ako kay TSM. Dagdag ako kay TSM. Dagdag tayo kay TSM. Konti lang, $50 lang. Kay donut. Okay, congrats. Paano naman ako yung mga bumili ng donut? Isa namang number 8 on the chat box. Yung bumili nito nung nirecommend natin. Number 8 naman para makita natin na may sumasabay naman sa atin sa income. Para hindi lang ako yung kahit papaano nag-i-income. Kayo din. Ayan, thank you. Okay, hold na natin yan. Hold na natin yan. I have a masterclass technique called Kage Bunshin technique. So, Kage Bunshin technique is a trend following. So, this is a trend. Since the trend is starting, I would let the trend finish until I will close it. One thing that is very, very crucial for donut is to break this area or even this area. If the MA50 will be intact after resisting on this area plus breaking out this area, nako, ganda. Tingnan natin ang fundamentals nito. Kasi kung may reversal siya tapos starting to go uptrend, let's chill out. See you next year to. Tingnan natin ang fundamentals together. Okay. Para may konting kampante tayo dito. So since kaka-reversal lang niya, tama yung sentiment natin sa sector, possible picking up na to, then we're gonna add more for this one. So we're not given an information. We're not given an information. Wala tayo information. Let's check the Morningstar. Okay, here. Alright, so while we're waiting, guys, do you appreciate this program here on the screen? Can you rate from 1 to 10 how you appreciate the live trading? You can see my losses, you can see my wins, how I process things, no? Hopefully, no, na-appreciate nyo so far yung ginagawa natin here live on Wise Investors PH. Okay, so good thing. It's actually a good thing as well because si Donut is actually on a discount. So, though it does not have an economic mode, we just trend following it. But definitely, we're buying it on a discount. Let's see the competition. Thank you, thank you. Salamat. Salamat. There you go. So, yan. Tingnan natin ang competition ni Donut. Tsaka tingnan natin ang fundamentals. Kung if it's actually doing well, if it can sustain the whole trend. At least may sentiment eh. May sentiment na tayo. Sino nga nagpa-chart nito? I think si Sir Joseph yata, if I can remember, no? Si Sir Joseph yata nagpa-sentiment ito. Okay. Kasi pag tingin niya dito, yung ganda ng sabi ko, ganda ng trend ah. Ito pa lang oh. Tapos sinalo pa. So, ang ganda. Uy, anong nangyari? May gumagamit ba nito? O ako? Walang gumagamit nito ah. Walang. Tagal ah. Okay, din natin dito sa financials. Naglo-load, no? Okay, financials. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin, at least kahit man lang naka-recover siya in the next 3 years, we're good. So, revenue, yan, very good. At least it's increasing in the past 3 years. At EBITDA is also a bit flat, no? Net income, okay, net income, syempre affected yan ng pandemic, but definitely not that much, at least a 0.1 in terms of not really a big impact on this one, but the revenue at least is good. Let's check their operating liabilities, though it increases a bit, yeah, balance. How about the cash flow? Free cash flow is nabawasan ng konti. Buti hindi masyadong malaking impact sa kanila, no? The profit, financing, and all those stuff. Okay naman, so far, it's very stable. Okay, but not long term. For me, hindi pa siya long term. So we're just gonna trend follow it technically. Again, this is the third day rule. This is very crucial. If mag-break down si MA50, let's close it. Also with this one. So ito trail na natin to definitely. Tingnan natin how is it gonna react. So, kung magpapachart kayo, mabilis na natin makita. Medyo dagdag-dagdag lang tayo dito for donut. Okay. Alright. So, thank you. Alright. So, there you go. At least dyan. Ano pa ba natin? Alright. Meron pera pa ako eh. Pero di ako mamimili masyado. Sakto lang. Okay. Yan. O, last charts. Last request before we go. Dito. Kara. Tingnan natin dito. So, makita yung iba. Tingnan natin yung mga red. Uy, grabe to. 1%. Jimea, check natin. Jimea. Ayan, oh. Indication to na ano, ha? Pa-bottom na si Jimea. Abangan nyo na yan. Lagyan natin sa watchlist natin si Jimea. Car. Okay pa si Car. LNC, HBI, FBS. Siam ang gusto ko eh. Tinitingnan ko Siam talaga. Gusto ko makita full breakout. Siam. CRO and gold. Sige. CRO, like, baka mag-breakdown to. Okay, baka mag-breakdown. Let's wait for a clear buy signal. Green candle may be a indication. Like, is another green candle within this range? Maybe we can buy that. Sideways. Okay, wala. Si gold is going momentum, ha? Indication na umaalis yung pera sa market, sa stock market to. So, nagkaroon ng reversal si gold. Okay, abangan to mag-breakout. Baka mag-shoot up to. Nagko-consolidate sa taas. Okay, abangan to mag-shoot up. Tingnan na lang si gold in the next few days. Okay, last is DXY. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa dollar. Nako, isang ang indication na kailangan na talaga natin mag-TP, guys. Isang indication na kailangan natin mag-TP. Okay. Alam nyo ba yung relationship ng stock market, DXY and gold? Number 1, alam nyo. Number 10, alam nyo. Number 1, hindi. Okay, number 5, may idea pero you wanted more about it. Yung relationship ng DXY, gold, and stock market. Aside the VIX. Para isa lang na makita natin, no? Okay. Number 10, alam nyo na. Number 1, first time nyo narinig na may relationship pala sila. Number 5, somehow, medyo relationship sila. Okay, para makita nyo din pag nakikita nyo yung stock market. Marami kasing, maraming predictors yung stock market kung i-reallocate, kung iintindihin nyo siya in deeper understanding. But if all are aligned, nako, most likely, malaking factor. You know? Yan, maraming, okay. Alright. Siyempre, confident ako, mga masterclass to mga to eh. Ako naturo yan, no? Naturo yan, no? Okay. Sige, for this one, your DXY is your dollar. Okay. People really go into cash. Thus, if they go into cash, no, the dollar always increases because the dollar is the safe haven asset. So, kung tumataas yan, isang indication na they're pulling out money in the stock market and investing it to dollar. That's one. Second is they're hedging it to gold. So, if ang stock market nagko-contract, there's a probability that they're investing to gold. Okay, parang ini-hedge nila si stock market because tutubo pa eh. Sa dollar kasi hindi tutubo pera mo, no? Pero at least you're protected. Kaya tumataas yung value. No? Another factor is they're hedging it to the gold. So kung titingnan natin on the current perspective, nagkaroon ng reversal. So may nababasa akong volatility na mangyayari sa stock market. Nasa resistance si stock market plus si DXY is on the momentum. So parang okay, I smell something fishy, no? Tapos nasa momentum pa. So kaya gusto ko magbawas. Tingnan natin last. Tapos another one is your VIX. So makikita mo dito si VIX. Kung umangat to si VIX, pabagsak ang market kasi kabaliktaran nila yun always eh. But so far, di naman. VXX. VIX volatility. VIX volatility. Yan. 12-21 strategy. So, wala pa naman. Medyo okay pa naman si market. So, hindi naman siya the danger zone. Okay? Wala pa naman dito totally. So, pag nag 12, 21, kabaliktaran, medyo buy tayo. Yan. So far, buhay pa naman. Maybe I'm gonna sell really a lot of my port if it hits here. So far, wala pa naman. Hindi pa naman totally. So, isa yan. Isa yan na dapat. So, titingnan natin si VIX kung magtumalo yan ng mga 15 range. Possible magbawas ako ng malaki sa stocks. Lalo na sa mga signs na nakikita natin as of the moment. So, yun yung mga i-check nyo if you want to check kung magti-TP ka or not. So, titingnan mo dito guys, oh. Yeah, na-explain ko to sa Elite Club eh. Sa Elite Club ko naturo. So, yan. I think that's it for tonight. Let me just check yung ano natin. Let's have review. So, ang mga titingnan ko dito, of course, is the donut pa din. I'm gonna trail this one. As long as intact si MA50, we're good. Si YAM is also, we need to check because it's about to break out on a reconsolidation. No, nag-break out na nga sa ano eh. Ano pa ba yung nakita natin kanina? Si Meta sa crypto. And the rest, take profit na lang kayo. Mas better just to be safe. Okay, after this live, magta-take profit talaga ako. So the rest, again, let's go to the sectoral. Your consumer discretionary is good. Your XLY, yung technology also is on the momentum. Stay away from financials currently. Naghahanap ng support. Stay away from energies muna. Let it retrace. And position, hanap na kayo position for your industrial. Nasa support. So, mga industrial stocks. Siya mga tingnan nyo for tonight. Currently, no? So, please, para hindi kayo maipit, take profit kayo as much as possible. Respect the resistance para sure. Isa yan ng sikreto na okay dyan. Okay? So, if you don't have naman diversify, example, busy ka, tapos you want to still earn, we have mga automated robots for the Forex market. So, si Izanagi is up by 247% this year from just January, around profit of around 35 USD. May current open position set yung profit na binibigay ni Izanagi. 100% automated to. So, this one. And we have Valkyrie na auto-compounding. So, I'm up by 20%. Auto-compound. Nag-auto-compound. Lumalaki yung position niya habang tumataas siya na Izanagi does not have. And tingnan mo yung isang account ko. Isang client ko na nag-open ng account na naglagay ng 1 million pesos. So, kita dito, parang kinikita nito. So, depende no sa ano, pero usually nagwa 500 to 2,000 pesos a day yung kinikita niya sa 1 million. Meron din siya isa aggressive mode. Dalawa account ng client ko na to, galing no? Tingnan mo yung jump. Magkano kinikita nito? $100 to $20, 1,000 pesos a day to 2,000 kinikita niya. Sa Izanagi to Izanagi, grabe no? Lupit. And by the way guys, would like to invite everyone. We're gonna have a special webinar next week about trading psychology. We invited Sir Jonathan Reyes again to be with us also. And by the way, we're gonna launch the Shadow Automated EA. Followed after the webinar, kinabukasan may webinar tayo about the Shadow EA and the intraday ni Izanagi. So intraday si Izanagi, we're still forward testing it. High profits with high risk only for traders every day. Okay, we're gonna check it out. 29 pairs ang tinitrade niya. Grabe as in. Mababaliw ka siguro doon. So, you-check mo siya, New York session, magka-cutlass ka, break-even ka sa current position. Izanagi on a day trader mode. So, kasi to, si Izanagi, swing trader mode si Izanagi ngayon. Ito. Pero kung day trader mode, Diyos ko, the risk is so high, but the profit is so high as well. Ito, pang matagalan. Pero yun, parang 200%, 2 linggo yung nangyari sa kanya na backtesting. Lupit Sige, forward testing natin with real money. So, stay tuned because yan yung mga ilo-launch natin this month. Para sa inyo. And last but not the least, no, isa din na gagawin natin inside the community is live trading on Forex naka-on yung indicator, babasahin nyo lang kung may buy signal aside from the trade calls na meron tayo. So if you want to learn more about our Forex offers, you can check it out on wiseinvestorsph.com and read about it or watch our video. And last but not the least, if you want to catch up with how to trade in our masterclass, no, tinuturo yung about the US market in general, technical analysis, trend following, it's all there. Last for the link batch. Next year na ulit yung batch natin. So kung gusto niyo habulin yun, please do check it out. All right? So it's gonna be a Wednesday night evening. It's always a pleasure to be with you guys tonight. Okay, again, nag-aabang na lang ako kay Yam and all yung mga yan. Then position ako after. Yeah, yeah. So within the week or within the day. So with that, may the market be with you. Again, guys, please do take profit. Okay, para safe yung pera nyo. And wait for another buy opportunity. If you're gonna buy consumer, industrial, and technology is your way. I'm gonna see you on Friday on our next trading live here in Wise Investors PH. May the market be with you always. This is John signing off. Thank you so much. Good night and God bless. Bye bye.